The one I'm reading at the moment is Black Box Thinking. I don't know if you've heard of it. It's by Matthew Syed, and it's about how do you keep improving. So the black box is from airlines. So airlines have become fantastically safe because they've embraced and accepted failure. So the black box idea is every time there's an accident, they grab the black box, they do the research, they figure out what went wrong, and then they do something very different that very few other industries do. They publish it worldwide, and they say, we made a massive mistake in this area, and you can all learn from it. So the whole of the airline industry has massively improved its safety because they accept failure, they embrace it, and they learn from it. And we should all do that much more. The alternative he gives is the medical profession, where any mistakes you make tend to not be looked at, or it was just unlucky, someone died. And for a long time they didn't make any improvements, and death rates stayed high, and they've only recently started to realise, my God, we're making a massive mistake here. We should be looking at every failure that there is, learning from it, publicising it, talking about it, and they're starting to do that now, and death rates are falling as a result in certain areas. Same with our business. And the larger you get, the harder it is. It's easy to say, but I know, and it's a bit like that here, if you're a successful business, you want to carry on being successful. And all the leaders of that business are successful doing what they do. So why not carry on? And any failures, well, didn't quite get that right, we'll sort it out and we'll try something else. But if you embrace failure, this is what startups do and entrepreneurs do. They try something, it fails. They don't go, oh, cover it up. They go, oh, why was that? What can we learn? Let's try it again. And that's what we're going to try and do with our Hiscox Futures, is start to embrace failure. But I've got to keep it separate from the rest of the organisation, because all of my colleagues are working hard on the successful machine. They want that to carry on, and this is scary, disruptive stuff, and they need to be protected. So we're going to create a separate environment to allow people to fail, to learn from it, and then figure out how we can be successful. All success is based on loads of failures. We just don't talk about them.